Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson. We're back at it with another banger video, and today we're going to be making some homemade banana pudding. Sorry I couldn't make a video last week. I had to go to a funeral for my grandpa. Yep, Grandpa Joe. It's been 2 weeks without him and it doesn't even feel real at all. But yeah, I miss him so much. But anyways, let's get going.
For this recipe, we need unsalted butter, milk, vanilla extract, vanilla wafers, 3 eggs, heavy whipping cream, salt, truvia, cornstarch, and most importantly, bananas. Alright, first we're going to start making the custard. So get half a cup of truvia, a third cup of cornstarch, and a quarter teaspoon of salt, then whisk. Now gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk until smooth, then stir in 3 egg yolks. Once you stir in the egg yolks, cook over medium heat, stir constantly until the mixture thickens. Once the mixture thickens and comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to low, and then cook for 1 more minute and then stir constantly. Oh my gosh, it's so steamy.
It's so steamy that my glasses are getting foggy.
Alright, it's time to remove it from the heat and add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of butter, and then mix together. Alright, this is kind of optional, but I like to get my custard, push it through a strainer so I can get all the lumps out. It's time to put the custard aside, and now get a chilled bowl and whip up 1 cup of heavy cream and half teaspoon vanilla extract until steep peaks form. Alright, get yourself a pan and layer vanilla wafers on the bottom of the dish. Next, add a layer of sliced bananas over the wafers. Pour a layer of the custard mixture over the bananas. Repeat the process until all the ingredients are used and end with a layer of custard. And once all the ingredients are used, spread or pipe whipped cream over the top layer of the custard. I would have made the vanilla wafers from scratch, but you already know that.
Nobody got no time for that.
But now we can wrap this up, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight to allow the flavors to meld and for the wafers to soften. I prefer to just wait overnight because I really have the patience for this. And you know what they say, good things must come till later. If you remember from a couple YouTube shorts ago, I gave this banana pudding to my friend Madeline when I was in culinary school. She really loved it and she was really asking for more. I sure do miss culinary school. But I miss my Grandpa Joe even more. Rest in peace, Grandpa Joe. Y este es pudín de plátano.
Alright guys, it's the next day, and look, I got the banana pudding right here. I'm so excited to try this. Alright, see how it is. On cap. It's good. The bananas have that sweet flavor. Custard, it's not too sweet. And the vanilla wafers really give it a nice crunch too. Yeah. Yeah, this is so good. This is good for like some family reunions and stuff like that. And honestly, the one thing that you can actually do is when you make banana pudding, the one thing you can actually do is, one, you can use like brown bananas or like slightly brown, or 2, you can actually put a little bit of the whipped cream in the, what's it called, banana pudding mixture. That's another thing you can do. So you can have like a better consistency. But honestly, the one thing I gotta say right now is when it comes to this, I need more. I'm still glad I'm living back in Tampa. And yep, all I gotta say right now is rest in peace to my Grandpa Joe. I miss you so much. Yeah, he was in a couple of my YouTube videos and stuff like that, if you remember. But yeah, he'll be forever missed. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.